Hello, everyone. What I've got here is Bronx Lock Picker 60s. You talking to me? You looking at me, not you talking to me. You looking at me. That's a Taxi Driver reference. Alrighty. Let's get in there and start looking at him. A slight turn on the core. That was about 3. Another slight turn on the core. That was 1, I believe, or 2. That was 2. Work my way back. One wants to play. I don't know if he sit right or not. Nope. That was 1. I got a slight turn also. Twos give me counter. A little bit more of a turn. 5, I got a little slight give on the core. A click. Very talkative lock. I like these kind of locks. You get into some men and they ain't telling you anything. You get clicks, but you don't get any movement. I like it when you get clicks and movement. It means you're getting somewhere. Oops. I'm about to knock my tension wrench out. That's where I'm getting. Put my pick in there and wedge it and reinforce it. There we go. Alright, let's take a query of each one. Alright, pin 1. You want to play around? Pin 2 feels pretty solid. I like it set. I'm not sure if he is. Pin 3 feels solid. I pushed up on 5 and I got kind of a crunch, but no movement. There we go. The way back there was pin 6 or pin 5 or whatever it is. All right, another challenge lock open. Yay! Yeah, I've been going in a challenge lock slump there for a while, but yesterday I got that one lock open, and today I'm gonna set this guy over here, adjust my camera. Today we have another one. Victory. Get over there. Don't fall down. Right. I think we can see everything from there. Alright, we got a little schlag type of thing, so open up one.
Yeah, that's a halfway decent time for me. That was a fun lock too. I like it when they give you some feedback. Yeah, I didn't see my little power in here. I'll check it. Oh! I'll do it the old-fashioned way. That's what I like about slaves. I have to fight with a C-clip. Although I did have one slave giving me a hard time one time. Alright, let's get a shimlet over here. I remember when Taxi Driver came out. I was in the military and a friend of mine says, come on, let's go watch a movie on base. And they're like $1, to watch a movie. And so, first part of it, man, I thought, okay, yeah, it's just a taxi driver in New York. And then it starts getting weird. It starts creeping up on you slowly. This guy's got some weird ideas here. Alright, I think we're Shim. Now we need to find a follower. Who wants to follow this guy? You look correct. Correct them in there. My keys are kind of facing sideways. I want them to fall out. Bring them up a little bit. Ready? Sit. Go for it. Uh-oh. I got hung up on somebody in there. The last one, there's a T-pin. So I'm going to have to take out number one that's falling out. Yeah, let me get number one pin and spring. And we got a T-pin holding up on number two. I'll put you back up there, boy. T-pin or spool. Sorry. These over here. Hung up. I'm going to get them more solid. There we go. More bypass driver and previous. Whoa! Everything was going smooth till I ran that guy. There you go. Just sit in there for right now. Sit, stay, behave. Right. Well, we already know what the spring and the driver is for pin 1. So keep it up. Oh, very nice. Keep it. What? Oh, that was number 2. I'm going, what? What did I do? Pull that 2. That's number 1. There's some very nice pins in here. I'm going to pull them all out first. I'll let you see them. See when we get them all straightened out. Hey there. Nobody can see you. There's undercutting, threading. Everything's been done to this guy. Alright, let's straighten him out.
Put him there. Because it's got to focus. Yeah, but you've got threading in 1, 3, and 5, and undercutting in 2. And there's some nice undercuts, man, really sharp. 2 and 4. Right, so we'll set that guy down over here. And then we'll look at the key pins and then we'll do them all combined, but let's set this guy over here. But yeah, there's some wicked, they're hard to describe. There's serrations and spools. It's really very cool pins. I'm going to let them speak for themselves at the end. Let me go ahead and finish cutting the Bible, since it started to do it on its own anyway. I'll pull that shim out. I guess that shim didn't go all the way in when I was pushing it. I said, is it in? And I didn't look for it, you know, touching the other end of the core. Very strong spring on this guy. He bounced up. I'll go ahead and put him down there. Very nice pins. Very tightly wound copper spring on that one. We're in the video. Let's see. Push this guy back a little bit. Come on, he don't want to go back. This guy's grabbing him. Spring's a little bit weaker. Here's the T-pin. Set him down in here. Get his spring to cooperate. Hey, come back. He ran away. I'll get him. Saw where he went. I'll have to go get him later. There is another T-pin. The T-pin at 3 is serrated on the end. This one's not. Like a straight up T-pin. And number 5, another T-pin. I mean a wicked one. He just shoots up and you see a big old T-pin and another spring. I'm gonna have to go hunt that spring for number 3 down. He fell down in here. Nothing done to the Bible in there. And let me let you get a good view of the key and the pins. And like I said, I might have to go hunt that spring down because he fell in his drawer here, but however, we shall get him. Oh, let's pull this guy up. Yeah, so there's some really fantastic pins in here. They're very sharp edges on these guys. And then the spool effect, very, very sharp edges on them. Nice spool effect on two with another. And this is like a double spring. He feels like it. But get off there. He's stuck. Get back. There you go. And then we have this T-pin with like serrations in it also. And then kind of a standard like T-pin. And then another very long T-pin here for the drivers. And then the key pins all have work on them. Serrations, everything. And there's your bitting. You know, it looks kind of like a standard key, but definitely doesn't have standard pins in it. And it was a very fun pick, too. So, like I said, the core also had all its work done into it. So, thank you for watching, and thank you, Bronx Lockpicker 60, for making this lock. It was a lot of fun. And thank you, K1 Locks, Albert LaBelle, or Bill Bacardi, whoever sent this one to me. Because I forgot, and I didn't go back and look in the... I got 3 packages at once of challenge locks, one right after another. I forget who sent what, but they're all great guys, and I want to give them credit anyway. So, thank you for watching. Everyone have a great weekend. What's left of it? Sunday right now.